leadership. And during the Hurricane Helene relief and recovery efforts, we watched firsthand not just the failures, but the willful neglect of the people of Western North Carolina. Dragged their feet over and over again to create roadblocks, to create more bureaucratic red tape. Now that we have the Trump administration in place, we watched firsthand an uptick in progress and an uptick of money coming into the region. But the problems still haven't been completely fixed because we see a failure of leadership by our current representation when it comes to their ability to actually build a coalition of forces to move dollars from the governmental level, the gubernatorial seat, down into the hands of the people of Western North Carolina.